Hey guys, this is correlation coefficient question number 6. Consider the following scatter plots. And question then says which sequence below arranges the linear correlations in order from weakest to strongest. So when we're doing this one here, we just again want to make sure that we remember that the one that is the most linear will always be the strongest one, and the one that is the most scattered will always be the weakest one. It's kind of a nice way to start off by analyzing these, and we know something is strong when it approaches a straight line. So we can see that this one right here is almost perfectly linear. This one right here will be the strongest one. The weakest one is the one that's the most scattered, and that's that one right over there. There's our weakest one. The question then becomes which of these two are stronger? And they're kind of hoping you make a little bit of a mistake here. I think what they're hoping you're going to do is you're going to look at the direction of this one, which is a negative direction, and assume that because it's negative, it's weaker than this one over here, which is positive. And that would be an error. Remember, we don't pay attention to direction when we're looking for strength. So really all I want to do is I want to find out which of these two are more closely approximate a straight line, and that can kind of give you a sense of which one is stronger than which. So this one is obviously stronger than this one. So we have to rank them now from weakest to strongest. So we're looking for the weakest one, and the weakest one is going to be number 1. The next weakest one of the 4 would be this one right here, number 2. Moving up to number 3. And then of course the strongest one, or the least weakest one, is number 4. So you're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, which is A. And usually you can find the trap question, or the distractor, right over there, where they're hoping again that you rank them from strongest to weakest backwards. Don't get fooled between these two options. You have to make sure that you read this part here properly to know that A is in fact your answer for this one.